Hi, today I'm going to show you the ZED RUN. It's a digital racehorse ecosystem that launched in January 2019 but started being built in 2018. You can become a stable owner and start racing now to win. I hope you like this site, you like my video, and we can just start. Alright, so there are over 10,000 plus race horses sold, over 450,000 US dollar won in prize money, over 500,000 US dollar in OpenSea trades. Highest racehorse was sold for 40 Ethereum. You can just see it over there. The current price is 25 Ethereum. And ZED has partnered with all the biggest blockchains and DApp companies: Maker, DAO, NIA Protocol, Matic, Emanate, and more is coming soon. And only 38,000 Genesis racehorses will ever be minted. And here you can see it's streaming now. You can just see the Twitch stream and how the game looks like. Here you can see are the horses that you buy, and then you get to wait if your horse win or not. Here you can see next run. You can just see what's happened now. As you can see, live for $2.48. The next will be for the same amount in 9 minutes, in 10 minutes for $4.50, and so on. And here you can just start. When you click over there, you can enter your email or connect with MetaMask. And when you go on the site, then there will be a info if you want to create a crypto wallet using Ethereum. And you can just click create crypto wallets and load again. When you click it, then you can just click start and then connect with MetaMask, and it will be a notification like this, and you got to login. As you can see, you got to connect with, for example, Ledger. You can just select your account over there, then you click next step and connect. As you can see, connecting, and then you got to authenticate. You just click it, and then here will be this like message that you got to sign, and then you just click sign, and yeah, it's a authentication. And then you have up and coming. So for example, now in France, 2 gates left. As you can see, you can just enter it, and here are the horses, details, career and stable. You can just see it, and you can just pick a gate and enter racehorse, for example 11. Then you got to connect with MetaMask, or you have another coming races too. Here are, for example, 4 gates left, here 2, and when you click more races, you can just see every race that will be available for this moment. And here, for example, are like types of racing. For example, Griffin, class 5, class 4, class 3, class 2 and class 1. You can just click next to run. Results. You have event, location, class, distance, date and prize pool, and winnings. You got to connect with MetaMask. And here are some horses for sale. For example, this horse costs 39.72 US dollar. Here, for example, 89. And you can just explore market and just sort by, for example, lowest price, or you can just make highest price, and it's, for example, for 745.63 US dollars. Then you can just buy a racehorse, and when you want, you can just connect with MetaMask and buy it. And here you have this stat service. You have stallion, owner stable, time left, and stat fee. Here, for example, we have 6 days left, and the fee is $15.49. You can just sort it too. And you have this zest for racing. You can meet ZED RUN token, zest, an extremely sexy developed to add value to the pioneering fantasy horse racing game ZED. together let's put the horse before the card. You just click over there, play Zest, and then you can just make picks, past picks, and you can just buy a racehorse or buy into race. And when you click it, then you will be on the marketplace over there, where you can just buy it, as I already showed you. Or you can just buy into race, and here with this classes again, or here with the past picks. You can just sign in over there. You just got to enter your email address to get started, and then when you log in, you have your balance over there. As you can see, you get 1000 zest for beginning. Yeah, and then you can just buy a horse and just race with it. And here the Genesis, so the first generation, is that first generation racehorses are known as the Genesis breed. There will only ever be 38,000 Genesis bred racehorses in the ZED ecosystem. And here it is, for example, Nakamoto racehorse, and you can see overall rarity is super rare, availability is very low, genotype purity is 91% to 95%, and bloodline scarcity is scarce. And the Nakamoto is the most celebrated thoroughbred, given that they are the purest racehorses that exist within ZED and are often known as the samurai breed. Or you can just click on another horses and just read about the information over there. But as I said, Nakamoto is the most celebrated racehorse. You have roster, and every ZED racehorse purchase or bred will appear here. You can search any race. You can search any racehorse within the ZED ecosystem and where it lives on the blockchain. And here you have this race roster, thoroughbred, owner stable, transaction and date, and you can just sort by newest and oldest. And here this DES site is from ZED, and yeah, here's this DES token. Here you have the vision paper and DES proposals. As you can see, it's a 25% bonus, the phase 1, a 25% bonus distribution for DES to all Genesis racehorse owners. As you can see, the 42 days are left, and you can just buy your Genesis over there. And as you can see, here we are in the non-fungible token tracker, so the NFT, and here on the place 23 is the ZED token, so it's a great thing. And here you can see on OpenSea, the not all-time trading volume is over $1,400,000. Here you can just see it in Ethereum, so it's a huge volume. You can just see over there on this timeline everything. And here you can see you have the ZED RUN Discord. The 213 people are online, and there are 5,048 members over there. You can just join this group now. Alright, so that's all that I wanted to show in this video. I hope you like this site, you like my video. You just buy a racehorse and race like here, and I hope you will just win. Yeah, you can just buy here those horses, and when you want to see the best horses, you can just go here on more, and through this Genesis you can just read about those horses. Those 4 race horses are the best on ZED RUN site. It's very cool, and we will see us in the next video. Goodbye.